up, everybody? This is gonna be a little different video. You know, my son is one now. Let me show y'all the shop here. We got 3-wheelers, we got the little Tykes cars, we've got just everything under the sun. But we're gonna get him a power wheels going. I found a Silverado, I got it for free. We're gonna put 18-volt Milwaukee batteries on it and send it. You know, I don't know that he's even gonna be able to steer this one, but I guarantee you he'll hit the loud pedal. So he'll have fun until he runs into stuff. But I was just gonna show y'all this and see what y'all think about it. Well, here it is, guys. His new hot rod. Man, you know, it's the old clapped out Silverado, but we got it for free. And Daddy knows how to paint. We might fix it up a little bit, but we're gonna put these 18-volt batteries on it and have fun. I done loosened these seats up, kind of scoping it out. We're gonna take this battery out, because who needs this? If you notice, this one was simple. Somebody had already cut it. Has the power and ground. Man, we're just gonna send that straight to a Milwaukee battery. Somebody's already been playing with it. Cool. Well, we're gonna chop it off to our own thing. After doing all this, kind of forgot that I had these little M12 batteries. And I might try this first just because this is the first time, you know. I know the Milwaukee battery will make it about, some of the videos I've seen, 56% faster, so might ought to stick with this 12 volt for a minute. But I guarantee you we'll be upgrading. And you know, they sell these fancy deals that you can so they sell these fancy ends that you can just slide right onto the batteries. And truth be known, I will probably be getting some of them before too long. I just know my son was extra rambunctious today, and we're gonna get him going. See if we can have some fun on this. See if we can at least figure it out. Have to get me some crimpers real fast. We'll be about ready to go. Any of y'all get super excited for your kids' toys? Normal thing for me, where did I put my crimpers? I'm going back to the old school. Whatever, it'll work. Uh-oh. All right, fellas, moment of truth. Let's see if we can get going here. These are marked. Oh, we got power. She's live. Oh shit. She's Excuse my language. Oh man, we're live, boys. Little guy about to have a ball. Looky here. They've been putting pumpkins out. He's just now starting to walk. Come on, buddy. Look at him pointing. Hey, that's my truck. There he is. See if you can hit that pedal, buddy. Hey, look. Whoa!
You may get in there with him and push it.
Yeah, look. Hey. Oh, just can't reach it. Think you can ride? Mom of the year right here. About to be a big bump. Look at him, he loves it. Lost the tailgate. He said, keep going, man. Hey, buddy. Well, I'm heading back to the shop. They're out in the back 40 over there somewhere. Anyways, that little 12-volt battery just ain't gonna cut it. But, you know, Mama was riding with it too. So, you know, it ain't made for big humans, but we'll see. We're about to throw this 18-volt on her and send it. So, well, what happened? What happened, Mama? Dang, you done tore it up? He said, Dad, I expect more out of you. I want faster. Well, it went. He's still having just a little bit of trouble reaching the pedal. As soon as he can get that, it's over, guaranteed. But this little thing worked out good. You know, like I said, it was super easy. This comes out. It's hot in the ground, and the battery, if you look, has the 18-volt Milwaukee or the 12-volt. They're both marked with a plus and minus for hot and ground. So super easy, and I'm super excited because this is one that he can drive around and tear up and it not matter. So y'all have a good one.